I'm at Waitpinga Farms. We've just done a great quad bike tour. This is near Victor Harbour, and this tour is amazing. It's a farm tour. They take you through the safety aspects first and do a small track as well, just to see that everyone's okay with the quad bikes and how they work and everything. After that, we get to go out on the farm and do the tour. We go through a lot of sheep paddocks. This farm has over 700 sheep paddocks, and we were really lucky. They were lambing at the moment, so we saw a few day-old lambs as well. They also have a lot of cows. We go through cow paddocks, and then we get into a lot of these sand dune tracks, which are really awesome to just rip into the corners. And after that, we go through creeks, and then we can break for lunch. They have a lovely little shack, and they tell you about the history of this place, and that it's been in the family's generation for 5 years. And it's just a great, lovely place. The views are amazing. You can see the beach and the creek, very spectacular. After that, then you can do some more tracks and dirt tracks and lots of rocks and a bit more challenging. And then you've got the gold mine, the old gold mine that was here as well. So this place has definitely got heaps of things to do, a great tour. So if you want to do quad biking, which you should, this is amazing, and I definitely recommend doing this. You should definitely come to Waitpinga Farms.